Hey, it's Andy from INX Pro. This video I'm going to show you how to replace the CISS chip, the circuit board of the cartridge. Sometimes maybe the chip is defective or broken. You need to replace it. This video will show. You need to have either small screwdriver like this. You can use a knife like this. Either knife like this. You put it into the bottom of the chip. Between there's a cartridge clips. So you put it on the bottom and you just pop it up like this. Push in and pop it up. Same thing with the screwdriver. Push in and pop it up. I think the knife will be easier. Like this. See? It's pop up from the bottom of the cartridge. And now you need to remove the last cartridge, whatever color it is. You have to lose it. So you can remove the chip and put a new one. Slide it in. The 3 first and the last one. And like this. But the bottom is loose, right? See that here? Make sure they're aligned. You just push the chip into the cartridge. So like that. You will hear the clicks. See that?